What is up guys, my name is Chase and today we are unboxing the Apple iPhone 5S in gold. This is Apple's brand new iPhone featuring a faster processor, the new True Tone Flash, and of course the Touch ID fingerprint sensor in the home button. As you can see, even from just the box here, it does look very similar to the iPhone 5 from last year. They at least made the text here on the side in gold, which actually looks kind of nice. I like that. And here is our brand new iPhone 5S itself. Look at this beauty. I'm so excited to get my hands on it. Here is a look at the new gold color option. You can see some of the gold accenting on the back and around the sides, and of course on the new Touch ID home button. But for the most part, you know, this gold looks pretty subtle. It's not like super in your face gold, but it's just a very nice kind of softer neutral gold. And of course, as you can see, you know, other parts of the phone are white, mainly like the glass part of it. But here is our naked iPhone 5S. The Touch ID home button feels pretty similar to your standard home button. Meanwhile, on the back, here's a look at the camera and the brand new True Tone Flash. It's more of a pill-shaped flash and features two different colors of flash so that it's supposed to give you a more accurate reading. In any case, moving on to the rest of the box here. First off, we have our usual, you know, fingertip stuff and instructions, and of course, Apple stickers. Gotta love them Apple stickers. Meanwhile, the Apple gods have blessed us with even more goodies on the bottom. We have our Lightning to USB cable, a little charging brick so that we can charge the phone, and of course, the Apple EarPods, which came out last year with the iPhone 5. If you've watched my iPhone 5 unboxing, you already know what I think of these. I don't like it. In any case, that's everything in the box. And that is our gold iPhone 5S. I'm super excited to get my hands on this. It does look very similar to last year's iPhone 5. But hey, I'll be interested to see, you know, what this phone packs in. Let me know in the comments if you guys have picked up an iPhone 5S. For now, thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Chase and I will see you guys again soon. Bye!
Alright, well I just got my iPhone 5S in gold. I guess that means it's time to shut down the iPhone 5. Alright, see you later, bro dude.